If you're using chlorine pucks, you might be the reason why your pool won't clear up. And yes, I was doing the exact same thing. You're adding chlorine, maybe even shocking your pool, doing everything the pool store tells you, and it still looks cloudy, or it keeps turning green. That's where I was at. And the reason is something nobody tells you about, what's actually in these pucks. These don't just add chlorine. They add something that eventually makes your chlorine stop working. Every puck you use adds cyanuric acid, or CYA, to your water. Now here's where it gets confusing. A little CYA is actually a good thing. It protects your chlorine from the sun so it doesn't burn off right away. So at first, pucks seem like the perfect solution. But here's the problem. There's no off switch. Every puck you use adds more and more and more CYA to your water. And once it gets too high, your chlorine stops working the way it's supposed to. Not completely, but enough that your pool starts getting cloudy. Algae starts creeping in. And now you're fighting your water instead of controlling it. So what do? You add more chlorine. You shock it. And you go to the pool store. They test your water, and they tell you to add more stuff. But they don't tell you the real problem, because at that point, it's not a chlorine problem anymore. It's a CYA problem. Think of it like this. Your chlorine's in the water, but it's handcuffed. It's there, but it can't actually do its job. And every time you throw another puck in, you're making that problem worse. Last summer, I was adding chlorine thinking I needed more and more, and my pool still didn't clear up. I was wasting money, wasting time, and getting nowhere, until I figured out my CYA was way too high. And here's the part nobody wants to hear. If your CYA is too high, you cannot fix it with chemicals. You have to remove the water and replace it. That's the reset. Now, you don't have to drain the entire pool, but you have to lower it enough to get things back in range. So here's how you actually use pucks the right way. Use them at the beginning of the season. Let your CYA build up to a reasonable level, and then stop. Don't keep feeding it all summer long. That's where people get into trouble. After that, switch to liquid chlorine or Cal Hypo. Those sanitize your pool without adding more CYA. Once you understand this, everything gets easier. Your chlorine actually works, your water clears faster, and you stop throwing money at random chemicals. Look, I'm not saying every pool store is trying to screw you, but this is how people get stuck in that cycle. I was doing the same thing. Most people are. If you want a clean pool without getting ripped off, I've got more videos breaking it down step by step. Go ahead and go watch them. Thanks.